Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are doing We Found a Little Bed part 2 guys. So if you haven't seen We Found a Little Bed part 1, please check it out. It is very awesome. The title is We Found a Little Bed. Camera is getting kind of blurry. Okay. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, we found a little bed. Part 2. Look at that. So it is on the post right now. I'm just zooming in the camera and taking a closer look for you guys. So make sure you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.